Hello everyone. So this is a new series on puzzles. Puzzles which are new and which you won't find generally on internet. Now the puzzles are slightly difficult than what you get on the aptitude exams for the various recruitment companies. But certainly it will help the students to develop an analytical bent of mind, which is going to be useful in cracking the questions which they do get on the exams. It can also be used by students preparing for CAT exam. The puzzle is called to keep a secret. Okay, the idea would remain same. Read the question, give yourself 5 minutes, try to do it on your own, and then only watch the video. Out of the 5 words given, aim, due, mod, oat, and tie, the question says that one of the words is the secret word. Now, what is the condition? Now, if you happen to look at the condition says if one letter of the secret word is known, one could tell the number of vowels in the secret word. Now, question is, which word is my secret word? Now, at the start, some of us might be clueless. Now, in order to start thinking, we'll give ourselves a little bit of a time and try to go with what is the condition given. And if then also at first we are not able to get entirely in what direction we are going, when we start with the condition, most of us will start getting an idea. So I start writing it like this. Okay, let's say my secret letter was A. Now, if A was my secret letter, I know A is there in this word aim and also in this word oat. So if I talk about aim, how many vowels are there? There are 2 vowels in aim. And how many vowels are there in oat? Again, in oat, there happens to be 2 vowels. Okay. So if my secret letter was A, it could have been, my secret word could have been A. And I happen to know there are 2 vowels in it. And it can also be oat. Again, it had 2 vowels. Let's say if I'm not getting an idea at the moment, I'll do the same with other letters. I. If I talk about I, it is in aim. Again, it will have 2 vowels, A and I. And I is also there in tie. Again, it will have 2 vowels. Talking about M, M is there in aim, 2 vowels once again. And M is there in mod. How many vowels? 1 vowel. Okay. Similarly, I write for D, which is in due. Due, it has 2 vowels. And if it is mod, mod will have 1 vowel. Next is U. U in due, it is going to have 2 vowels. And U over there, I don't have any other word which has U. Okay. E. What about E in due? It is like 2 vowels. And in tie, again, it is 2 vowels. M. In mod, 1 vowel. And in aim, let me write it like this. The word which is coming before, I'm writing it first. So aim 2 and mod, it is 1 vowel. Okay. O. O is there in mod and it is in oat. So in mod 1. What about oat? 2. D. D I've already taken care of D. O I have already done O. A is already done. The leftover is T. Now if I happen to look at T, in oat there are 2 vowels and in tie there are again 2 vowels. Now if I read the condition again, if one letter of the secret word is known, one could tell the number of vowels in the secret word. Now, it never says you will get the secret word entirely, but it says you will get the number of vowels. So the idea of writing all of these letters is, let's say if my secret word had letter A. So if A was there, do I get the number of vowels? Yes, I do not get my secret word. It could be aim, it could be oat, but certainly I'm getting the number of vowels. It will remain 2. But it would not be the same if I talk about M. Now, if the secret word was having M, I'm not sure about the number of vowels, because in aim there are 2 and in mod there are 1. So M is a problematic word, I would say. Letters, sorry. Same thing will happen with D. And the same thing again, I happen to write M 2 times. I can remove it once. And the same thing is over here with O as well. Otherwise, if I happen to look at I, again, I'm getting to know that the number of vowels, whatever the secret word is, the vowels would remain 2. Same thing will happen with T. So what all cannot be my secret words? My secret words cannot be which have M, O and D in them. So straight away I can get rid of mod. It has all the 3. Then I can get rid of aim. Aim, because it has a M in it. It is not because of A, but because of M, it is out. Dew once again is out because of a D in it. Oat is again out because it has a O in it. So the leftover word has to be tie. Tie is going to be my right answer. Tie is the word, secret word, because if I happen to know, see, if they are going to reveal T, I know vowels would be 2, whatever the word is. I, again, it is going to be 2, whatever the word is. E, again, it is going to be 2, whatever the word is. Initially, some of you might be thinking U has only one, as in like it was having again 2 vowels. But the problem with U, there was only dew which was having, the problem was not caused by U, but the problem was caused by D over here. Because in dew, if the secret letter revealed was D, then you cannot certainly say how many vowels are there in the secret word. It can be 2, it can be 1. I hope my point is clear. Thanks for watching the video. I hope I was clear in explaining things over here. So keep watching this series called How to Train Your Dragon. We'll be coming up with more difficult puzzles over here. Thanks for watching the video.